Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadli and this video is about the locate command. The locate command is used to locate a file just like a search command in the Windows. Alright, so first of all I have to open up the terminal. Now I have to open up the files. Okay, so I just want to use or locate the files, these files. So I'm gonna write the locate, then I'm gonna write the output.txt. Hit the enter and it will locate the file. If the file is present, it will show you the path of your file. Otherwise, it will simply return that the file does not exist. So you can also write in the incomplete name. But the thing is, when you write the incomplete name, it will come up with a bunch of the other files with that particular name. Okay, so for example, I just want to go with the output only, nothing else. So it will come up with the multiple files. As you can see that I cannot even see the number of files. So that is the kind of flaw of this command. That's why when you're looking for the particular file, it will be really hard for you. Okay, so let me just clear this out. So now I just want to find out the new file. I'm gonna write the locate new file. You can see that it has returned me the two values, the new file, we have this, and we also have the new file with the wrong form and this file. Okay, so this is how you can locate the file if you correctly remember the name. But if you just want to do with the locate new, it will come up with a bunch of the files you don't even know. So we can limit the queries by writing an additional argument. So if I just write new and want to limit it to the 10 queries or just the 5 queries, I'm gonna write the 5 here. So it will simply return me the 5 values. Okay, so one more thing, by default the name of the file which you write is case sensitive. Okay, but if you just want to make your query, your search case insensitive, so what you can do that you're gonna write the locate, then you're gonna write the -i, and then you have to write the name of the file. Okay, and I want to limit the query to the 5 numbers only. So let me just hit the enter and you can see that I have written the new file, but f is in the lowercase, but the file that are returned by this query or this command has the capital F. Okay, you can see that. All right, so this is how you can make your query, make your command case insensitive. All right, so this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.